How is health your wealth? Redefined by me. Understand it in a new way. You have been listening to this golden secret about health, that health is wealth. But you don't know how to manifest it in life, how it is a reality for you. For you, health means you just take it in a broader sense that you need to be healthy. But are you healthy? If your mental health, your physical health, your energetic health is not good, then you are not not a healthy person. You are an unhealthy person. And if you are unhealthy, then you are not productive. So how health is going to be the number one secret for you to be successful in life. If you want to be productive, you have to have your brain in the best running condition. This means that your brain should have the capacity to pay attention to anything that you want to create in your life. And if you are able to pay good attention to anything productive, then you are going to be wealthy one day. Wealthy is again not about being rich. Rich is being having money in your bank account and you calculate it in terms of net worth. Wealth is more than that. Wealth means your happiness. Wealth is how free you are. Wealth means how you feel every moment while living life. Do you feel the pleasures of living life every moment? For me, health means if you are thirsty, you can drink water, you have water to drink, then this is success. This one single glass of water is the success formula for my life. This means that if I am hungry, I am getting food to eat, I have enough. And this abundance energy is the real wealth. If you are healthy, you don't need more matter. You just need yourself. Because one thing you don't know, you have millions of cells. You are a running powerhouse. Your cells produce tons of energy every day, high voltage of energy every day. If you provide your cells with the highest resources that they need, your cells need your oxygen, good quality of oxygen, good quality of prana, good quality of nutrition from the food that you eat, good volume of water. And the basic formula of cell to produce energy is glucose mixed with oxygen gives you lot of energy, and in the process it releases water and carbon dioxide. That water is flushed out by your system, lymphatic system, the organ which is kidney, your nephrons filter out the toxicity from your blood, and all the water requirements of your body are actually these all system, your water intake, your nutrition, your blood quality is all defined by the quality of state you have. Your heart will not pump good quality of blood to your system. It will not send blood to the peripheral nervous system until and unless you are happy in life. If you are sad, if you are depressed, then you cannot focus on anything in life. And if you cannot focus on anything, then you are not a wealthy person. So this entire process of living a healthy life is possible when you learn the secrets. And who will teach you the secret? Only a healthy master, professional, expert like me, who is the healthiest, can teach you the secrets of being healthy. If you are addicted, if you are drinking alcohol, if you are drinking non-vegetarian food, killing animals, you are lost in social media addiction, you are lost in all kinds of addiction, then it's very challenging for you to become healthy. If you want to become healthy, you have to start from zero. You have to start from changing your lifestyle. You have to focus on living, not your lifestyle. The sedentary lifestyle that you are living right now is going to make you unhealthy. I'm 100% sure that the matrix that in which you are living is not teaching you health, because there is no place of happy and healthy person in the matrix. The matrix is celebrating unhealthy people. because unhealthy people have more desires, have more cravings, have more addictions, and more the addiction, more the cravings, more the desire, more the business, more the commercialization. If you understand the concept behind the world, how the economy of the world operates, yes, I agree to this fact that the infrastructures are required, the facilities are required, the growing of crops are required, the commercialization of these are required, but it also depends on you, what do you choose. Everything is available in the world and you can pay money and buy everything. But at what extent you should stop investing in matter, investing in money, investing in things. If something you are invested in and it is not giving you the highest value on the price that you are paying, then you are living an unhealthy life. For example, if I am paying for this glass of water and I am getting the highest value of having my thirst satisfied by drinking this glass of water, then I have extracted the highest value from this one single glass of water. So this is the highest way of living life, and I raise your consciousness and shift you from unconscious mind patterns to conscious and intelligent life. Why this health and happiness project is important for you? Because the dimension which I will teach you is instinctive, is practical, is full of taking actions every moment. You cannot be unconsciously just spending your life, wasting your life and waiting for something to happen from outside. You are focused on your destiny, that your destiny is bad. No, I will say your choice is bad. You are not putting efforts in the right direction. I will teach you how to put efforts in the right direction, how to invest in your health so that you become productive, you become wealthy, and you become happy finally. All right? So keep investing in your life the way I teach you and celebrate life with a glass of water. Thank you and bye-bye.